Okay, so we've got the intake tube to the turbo from the air filter. I just draped there's a sensor cord in here. I just draped it back over in there. Take that tube off, go loose, and take that tube out. Now, we take it. There's one and two 13 millimeter. Okay. Take the, I just got some paper towel, blue paper towel up there. I put all my bolts up there. Sorry about the jiggling, but I wanted to see, once you got those two out, then all you got to do is lift the air filter up, and in this case I'll take it back to the catwalk. There we go, and the air filter's out. Okay, so now you see we've cleared all that out to where now we're just going to take out the tube for the air compressor intake. And like I said before, that's probably a 13 or 14 millimeter and a 16 millimeter. Alright, so 13 and 14. 14 on the front. And that replacement bolt on the back is probably going to be a 16. It's going to take a little bit more oomph. Wow, that was on there. And I believe it's going to be a 16 for the back one. So, because of it being a replacement. Yep, 16. Ah, goodness. Okay, so that side's done. So now I'm going to pull it loose. I already got the clamp loose on the other side. So there's your, oh damn. And so now I'll take the, get my Allen wrenches here. And I think that's about, I want to say it's about a 6 millimeter, but it might be a 4 millimeter. Let's see here. That's a 4 millimeter. 5 millimeter is what that is. So we take the V-clamps loose. We loosen it just a tad bit, then pinch it, and we should be able to move the bolt out of the way, so that we can just simply undo the bolt. Alright, bolt's undone. And I'll spread this V-clamp slightly. Just drop it down onto the venturi here. So now I'm going to go up here and take the 12s off. $12 millimeter. 18. Use a 6.12. Here we go. Tight. Well, I didn't think I tightened all of it up like that, but sometimes that happens. And last but not least will be, looks like a 10 millimeter. We should be able to now. And you got to watch down in here when I take this off that you don't damage that sensor. And right down in the groove down in there is an O-ring. So you don't want to lose that. So we're just going to put that over that for now. Okay, so now we've got the breather, crankcase breather tube that goes to the evacuation canister. And we got to take that loose. That'll be 2 12s up on top. And those aren't 12s. Those are going to be 14s. Oh, wait a minute. They are 12. They are 12s. Let's see here.